Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about the integration of x to the power of n dx. You got about x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we apply the formula for this one, and this one. About the constant, I will put about d in here. So the integration of the constant, you got about ds, and we put about c. Now we can apply two formulas for this one. And we got about 5x to the power of 4 over 4. So we change n into number 3. 3 plus 1, you got about 4. 3 plus 1, you got about number 4. Now we apply similar for the next one. This one is about 1, so you got about 4x squared over 2. This one is about the constant, so that's about this one. And you got about 1x, so we can simplify into x. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Now, we can put number 1 going here. And number 0 going here. And we got the final answer. We have negative 13 over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.